When do you plan to have a baby?
Sagutin mo.
Ano nag-first move ng mag-kiss sa inyong dalawa? I was messaging her, tas parang I feel like I'm being ignored.
I have my personal question. Even just a second, nag-regret ka ba? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me, Aral, and
LJ?
today we are gonna do a get to know us better. So for today it's a little different. It's just gonna be a sit down video. Kasi nga, most of our videos are like random, mga candid shots lang ng mga pinagagagawa namin. So, ano masasabi mo?
Wala.
Pabibo to eh, biglang natahimik.
Bigla kong naiyan. Nakakaya pala to, no?
Yeah, so yesterday we asked you some questions and we're so happy sa mga effort and time na binigay nyo, and we're gonna shout you guys out as we ask the questions. Very raw.
Yeah.
Alright, let's start with the very first question.
Very first question.
Is from, I don't know how to pronounce her name, but it's
Where? Astin Jade. Or Astin Jade Gustilo. Yeah, she's my friend. My high school friend.
okay.
Hello, Astin.
Hello,
Kamusta ka na?
Astin. Thank you for taking time and leaving a comment. So she asked, how do you define successful relationship? Okay.
Boom.
Since ako na yung puro dada ng dada, you go first.
That's a good question, Astin. How do you define a successful relationship? Siguro for me, yung always kong sinasabi sa kanya, as long as you guys always choose each other every day, I think para sa akin mako-consider ko na yun as successful. You know what I mean? Like, if may mga problems kayo, like pag-usapan nyo agad, wag kayong matutulog na na may sama ng loob sa isa't isa. So, to me, it's that.
Yeah,
How about you?
I would say a gentle relationship. Like, kaya nyong maging open sa isa't isa, and you can talk about it as gentle as you can. You don't have to be harsh or like yung sigawan ba, just to make a point. And
Just to get your point across, no? You don't have to
correct, yeah.
yell
And
and all that.
yung naituro sa akin ni LJ is really the communication, because I don't know, I don't want to generalize it, but Filipinos, kaya, like, we think, especially girls, na manghuhula yung partner natin, but they won't really know what you feel unless you say it.
Exactly. Yung tampuhan kasi parang like parang para sa akin kasi parang pang high school na yung tampo-tampo pa, no?
True, pero hindi talaga may iwasan.
Hindi may iwasan naman talaga.
Especially na magkasama na kayo sa isang bubong ba. Thank you, Astin.
Thank you, Astin.
Alright, let's proceed to the next one.
This question is from Rowena Floreta Amurao. Alright,
Hello, Rowena.
Hello, Rowena. She said, saan po kayo nagkakilala?
Okay, let's answer that first. She actually have 3 questions.
Sige, sagutin namin lahat yan. So, dun muna tayo sa una. Kakilala po kami sa through TikTok ba or Facebook? Facebook, no? Facebook siya, pero
TikTok siya nag-reach
TikTok,
out.
ibang love story talaga, dun talaga nagsistart, no? From story sa Facebook. So, ganun yung sa amin. Like, I saw her story, I commented, tas wala, parang kalog din
Especially
to.
nung malapit na ako, no? Doon mo na ako pinag.
Actually, no, yeah, actually yun, tama. So, una, nakikita ko na to siya yung mga Facebook post niya, pero sinearch ko yung location. Kasi gusto ko pag nagka-jowa or pag may i-discartan ako, yung talagang sure, di ba? Sure ball. So, I'm tired of LDR, of long distance relationship.
In short,
na. So,
ayaw niya ng LDR.
oo, so malayo. Nasa ano ka ba? Saan ka ba nung ano?
South Carolina.
South Carolina. So, nagpo-post po siya. So, sabi ko, okay to. Ganyan. Tapos tinignan ko yung location, di ba? May stock konti. Ganun. Malayo. Sabi ko, malayo.
X.
And then eventually, she moved to Colorado. So, yung Colorado, ako kasi I'm from Kansas. So, katabi siya ng Colorado. So, I was like, oh, damn! Katabi lang ng state namin. So, yung message dun, story, dun nagkakilala.
In my point of view, nakikita ko na si LJ sa Facebook even before when I was still in the Philippines. I even told him that.
Mm.
He was still in a relationship and I'm still in a relationship. Yan. Sa Facebook ko siya unang-una nakita. Pero first reach out sa akin ni LJ is really TikTok. He commented in one of my video like, la 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 la.
Parang naging friends pala kami sa Facebook.
2020.
Kasi matagal na. Hindi pa namin natakilala yung isa't isa, guys. Hindi nga namin alam kung sinong nag-add sa kung sinong nag-add,
Yun yung gustong-gusto naming malaman pero hindi namin na. Yeah.
So, we don't know. Sinasabi ko sa kanya, ako na lang. Sabi ko, ako na lang kasi ako lang, di ba? Kung lalaki, ako na lang nag-add.
Paano ka po niligawan ni Sir LJ?
Simple, kindat. Kindat lang, guys. Ganun lang, oh. Isa lang yun. Pag kindat mong ganun, nag-smile, yun na yun.
For real ba?
Hindi, ano ba? Mayroon ba tayo? Parang wala tayong legal
wala
stage.
Wala kasi kaming ligawan stage, guys.
Oh, wala kaming legal stage. More on like
jumping off the cliff.
Yeah, parang like yung nag-chat kami. Parang we vibe together na. So, yun, ewan ko ba?
Mga chat niya, parang hindi ko pa siya binibigyan masyado ng time. Very close pa ako noon. Like,
parang there's like a wall na nakaharang. Ito kasi nangyari talaga, guys. Like, so I was messaging her, tas parang I feel like I'm being ignored, 'di ba? So, tas sabi ko, hindi, tsaka ako yung tipo kasi na, oh, if you don't feel me, then it's whatever. Parang, okay, wala. So, wala na ako. Sabi ko, okay. So, ganun pala, parang di niya ako bet. So, di na ako nag-message and everything. Ngayon, I had a cruise. Parang paalis kami ng cruise kasama ng mga friends ko. Yun, tapos ewan ko ba, nasa airport ako, biglang nag-message to. And then, tapos yung chats namin, conversation namin, sobrang haba talaga. Grabe. Tapos ako, saan ba ako nun? Parang nasa airport ako nag-wait somewhere.
No, not yet. You're still at home and alam ko, flight ka tomorrow. Tapos sabi mo, you're supposed to be asleep like an hour ago, but you're still messaging me, ganun.
So doon na nag-start, parang walang legal stage actually. More on like, we vibe. And
then I booked the ticket.
Oh, and then all of a sudden, parang
nandito na ako.
Kala ko nung una parang joke lang, punta ka dito, ganun. So, sige, punta ako. Tapos mga
sabi niya, okay.
After like, how many minutes, sabi niya,
nag-send na ako ng screenshot.
Sabi niya, screenshot na nakabook niya ng flight ticket niya. Oh, seryoso siya. In short, wink lang. Isang wink mo lang ganyan.
Kailan niya po natanggap ang matamis mo pong oo? Actually, wala. Kinonsider na namin yung vacation na yon, like, kami na.
Actually, yun din, no? Wala tayong legal stage.
Very Americanized.
Parang hindi siya yung mga stereotypical na relationship na, di ba, may legal stage. And
very traditional.
Pag-visit na dito, parang, wala, nag-assume ba? Nag-assume na lang kami na yun. That time then. Yun na.
That's the answer.
Thank
you, Rowena.
Thanks, Rowena.
Alright.
Our next one.
Next is Mary Ann Remocaldo.
Hindi, ito pa muna si JD. Sabi, take care, BBNN daw.
Thank you, tita. Thank you, tita Baba. That's my tita.
Ayun. Thank you, tita.
Thank you, tita Baba. Alright, Mary Ann Remocaldo. Miss May, anong mga bagay na pinapahalagahan mo simula na naging kayo ni Sir LJ?
Ikaw. Sa'yo yung question na yan.
I think yung mga experience together. Kasi usually, especially nung nasa South Carolina ako lang mag-isa noon. Wala naman akong sasakyan and it's very expensive to take Uber. Mas gusto kong magstay na lang sa bahay, ganun. 'Di ba? So, yung quality time namin outside or even like inside our house. So, ganun. Yeah.
Good. Okay,
making memories together.
Making memories together.
Experiences.
Kailan nyo balak bigyan
ng apo? Yan yung pinakamaraming question din.
Okay. Well, yung apo na yan, eventually, dadating din yan, guys.
Yeah.
Pero for now, parang may mga plans kasi kami sa, sa life pa namin, na parang gusto pa namin ma-achieve muna. Po, siguro, yung timeline namin, siguro mga 3 years, no? 2-3 years, siguro.
Since we didn't really enjoy that relationship stage yet, so gusto muna namin i-enjoy yung
isa't isa. We wanna travel together.
Yeah.
Experience
medyo mahirap
na
kasing gawin yun pag may bata na. Diba?
Yeah, true. I mean, makaka-travel din kayo, but like I said, it's different. It's different.
If dalawa muna kayo.
Yung Each other's company muna.
Yeah, ganun.
Yeah. You wanna travel the world, bagong lahat.
Mhm.
Diba?
Di tumines.
Mhm.
Ayun na nga, kakasagot lang namin ng tanong.
So, sabi ni D is, when do you plan to have a baby? Anong ipapangalan nyo, if ever?
ever.
That's a good question din actually, yung about sa name nung bata. Pero, so far, di pa naman nagko-cross sa isip ko yung name. But I don't know, ikaw may name ka na ba ng kids natin someday?
Wala po.
Okay, ako din wala pa.
Not
But,
yet. Pero,
soon, someday.
interesting kasi yung name namin eh. Lian and Arel.
Mm-mm.
Yung Arel, is like parang panglalaki kasi siya. Yung Lian parang pambabae. Kaya
Switch.
ganun.
Actually, ngayon ko lang yung
Switch
na-realize.
namin ganun.
Sige, next.
Thank
Meron pa
you,
siyang isa,
D.
meron pa siyang isa actually eh.
Can we do fast talk with D? Of course.
Fast
I
talk with
already
D?
answered
Sige, we're
it.
down. Ano ba yun? Parang,
Like, fast talk with Buya Bunda. Ganun.
okay,
Like,
sige D. Game kami. G. Let's do it.
let's do it, D. Just let us know when. Lori Jean Cooley Gonzaga. She said, Tani, masabat ni tanan ba? She's also Ilongga. She said,
sabi niya.
she's
sige.
hoping that that will answer her questions. Okay. First one lang ga.
What's one thing your partner does that drives you crazy? Wow. Lalim nun ah.
Sagutin mo. Meron na agad akong sagutin.
Wow.
Sagutin mo.
That's a good, like, to what point? Like, to what extent? Ano ba? Ikaw, how about you go first? So I
Okay,
can
I'll
answer.
go first.
Sige.
So, every time I come home, naglilinis ako. Kasi gusto ko, pagdating niya, marirelax ba siya na yung room sobrang linis.
Mm-mm.
Tapos pagdating niya, lalagay lang dyan yung clothes. Ang hilig niyang magkalat.
Mm-mm. Ay, actually, meron na rin ako. Hindi naman siya, like, grabe, no? But, I'm the type of person na, like, hindi talaga ako morning person. So, yeah. Pag bagong gising ako, like, parang ayoko munang kinakausap or inuutusan or whatever. Tapos, I wanna eat my breakfast first bago akong makipag-socialize or utusan, di ba? Ito, grabe, kakagising mo lang, grabe, taas ng energy niya to minsan eh. So, hindi pa ako nakakakain. Kwento na ng kwento, sigaw.
Dami
Hindi
pa
naman
pala.
sigaw, no? Like,
Hindi naman sigaw lang ga. Like, I'm just trying to wake you up.
parang ganun siya sharing what
Kasi
means.
wala kami laging time together before we go to work.
Pero
Ako
hindi
naman
naman
ang
like
ano.
something malala talaga. Like, sakto lang.
Pero nakapag-adjust na kami. Pero nung una talaga, backlash talaga ganun. Okay, if you woke up and found out that your partner had lost her or his memory, what would you do?
Ayun, sino yung guest na ito? Ang gaganda ng
Si
questions.
Lori
eh.
Jean.
Si Lori Jean.
Still from Lori G.
So, ano ba
I don't
balik?
know, I'll still be by your side. Wala kang magagawa. May sing-sing ako.
Ganun na lang. Sampal mo lagi yung sing-sing sa mukha.
Sampal
How
ko
about
sa
that?
sampal
Sino
ko sa
ka?
mukha.
Hindi mo ko kilala. Seryosong answer. Siguro, ano pa ba? Siyempre, if you love someone, di ba? You remind mo siya, di ba? You'll remind her every day on, like, how much you love her or him, di ba? So, ganun naman siguro. Sa akin, yun yung gagawin ko. Like, I'll remind her every day, this is me, I care for you, I'm your husband, I love you. Tapos ganun, papakita mo na sa kanya. Like, yung brain niya, hindi ka nakakilala, pero for sure yung heart niya, kilala ka pa rin niya. So, yun lang.
What do you wish you and your partner would do more together? Travel.
Travel for sure. Same ko na answer. Kasi, lately, marami kaming inuuna muna. Like, responsibilities and priorities. Once we're done with this, siguro for sure travel na.
Yeah. Paano mo nalaman na mahal mo na si Sir LG mismo at ano yung nagustuhan mo sa kanya bago kayo mag-asawa? Nagkaroon ba kayo ng hindi pagkakaintindihan? Ginawang joker. Pero ganun, sobrang funny niya talaga. Tapos, gentleman. Ganun. First call namin ng mama ko with him. Ganun yung sabi ni mama.
For real.
Ang gentleman
Nice.
niya daw.
What can I say?
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
kung sa akin yung question na yun, para sa kanya, sa akin, family-oriented talaga ito eh. Yun yung, yun yung nagustuhan ko sa kanya talaga. Like, pag ako kasi pag family-oriented yung isang babae, dun talaga meron ba kayong hindi
pagkakaintindihan.
pagkakaintindihan? Oh, yeah, hindi nawawala talaga yan.
Normal.
Ginawa. Yeah, that's normal. Huwag niyo lang palipasin ba? How do you say it? Huwag matutulog na may sama ng loob sa isa't isa. Kasi dyan na mag-start yan. Pag natiis mo na yan for a night, pagpataasan na ng pride yan. Yun yun.
Thank you, Mary Ann.
No, Mary Ann, Mary Joy yan.
Oh, Mary Joy. Thank you,
Thanks, Mary Joy.
Abby C. Esperanza,
Ako na.
number 1.
Kung may pangyayari man or nangyari na nagkatampuan kayo, sino ang unang gumagawa ng moves para magkaayos kayo? Magtusorry agad-agad ako, like right here and then, but syempre magtatampuan yung mga babae, diba? Like sabi ko kanina, give them time and space na mag-clear yung mind nila, diba? But ako kasi, it's not about pride thing eh. Para sa akin, it's all about like whether it's my fault or not, I'm sorry. Diba? Parang mas importante yung relationship natin compared sa tampuan na yan.
Sino ang nag-first na mag-kiss sa inyong dalawa?
Okay, so, ako, but in a funny way, no?
Yeah.
Nag-ask muna ng tag dito, consent. So, parang, hey, kiss? Okay.
Very funny. Hanggang ngayon, binabalik-balik na namin
It was
yan.
funny. Fun yung first kiss namin.
Yeah.
So.
Nahihiya pa ako nun eh. Okay.
Ako din eh.
Third.
Ba na nagsiselos kami sa isa't isa? There you go. Yan siguro yung question. Ikaw? Was there a time that you get jealous?
Of course. Meron.
Every
Yan
time?
lang ba yung tanong? No, not every time. That's unreasonable na na yan. Insecure na ako niyan. Hindi. Parang hindi naman kasi may iwasan yan eh. Pero sometimes, binabrush off ko na lang kasi nga, past na naman yun. And I have the ring already.
Alam ko, siloso talaga ako dati. Siguro lang din, ako hindi pa ako nagselos talaga kasi sa akin kasi I trust her so much and then we're married na, no? Ano ba? And siguro hindi niya rin ako binibigyan ng reason para magselos. No? Parang ganun. Trust. Yun lang yun. Trust. Okay, next.
Alright. Thank you, Abby. Actually, si Efrel Morales Toledo nag-ask din about sa apo. Nasagot na namin yan.
Yeah.
Lucita Barcela, anong pagkakaiba at pagkakapareho noong mag-BF at GF pa lang kayo at ngayon na mag-asawa na kayo? As I've said earlier, parang yung BF, GF time namin is yung nagbakasyon ito, which is just a very short time.
Very, very short time.
Yeah, just a blink of an eye. And then, bumalik na agad ako ng Colorado nun. Maybe the difference was the distance. Now I get to see him every day. Saan kayo nagkakasundo at hindi? Yan yung pahabol ni Lucita.
Yan yung pahabol. Saan tayo nagkakasundo at hindi? Nagkakasundo.
Maybe nagkakasundo kami talaga sa movies. Sa sayaw.
And parang, because we're both givers kasi. So, parang let's say, pag may like yung isa, parang, like, the other one has to adjust. Parang nag-a-adjust ba yung, let's say, pag, ba?
Like, filling up the gaps, maybe.
Parang ganun. There you go.
Which, ganun naman talaga dapat. May pahabol ako lang ga.
Ano?
That's from our followers.
Wow.
And I have my personal question. Even just a second, nag-regret ka ba? You think na masyadong mabilis
like too
yung,
fast?
Yeah, yung
Everything
mga
happened too
nangyari and you.
Every day. I'm regretting every day. Parang perfect timing yung sa amin dalawa eh. Kasi ako, dati, before dumating siya, nasa point ako ng wild stage ko ba? Wild era ko. So, always partying.
Okay na
ganun.
yan. Okay na yan.
Yeah, basta ganun. So, then eventually, I got tired of it, diba? Like, dang, sawa na ako sa life na to. Like, I want someone to settle with, diba? Then, doon ko siya nakilala. So, ako, nung nakilala ko siya and binimessage ko siya, alam kong seryoso na talaga ako na I'm willing to settle down. So, nung naging kami nga and then mag-asawa na, yun, wala naman. Siguro yung yung hindi naman na regret, parang doubt siguro at first, diba? Kasi like, I don't even know her that much, right? So parang bago na kami magkakilala noon and Yun, tapos biglang papakasal. So,
I think
at
it's
first,
too risky, no? Ganun.
yeah, tsaka, that's commitment.
Mm.
Like, when you get married, that's commitment. So, hindi man scared, no? Parang like, yun nga yung parang, I had doubts na, then what if, ganito yung attitude niya, ganito, ganyan, sa una lang to, ganito, mabait. And then eventually, di ba, she's too crazy pala. And then, I mean, she's too crazy pa rin. So, ganun.
Too crazy.
Parang ganun. So, parang doubts. I would say doubts.
Mhm.
Noong una. Siyempre, hindi naman maiiwasan yung doubts. Even you, I guess, di ba? Like, maybe you have doubts too. But I told myself na, I'm gonna marry this girl. Sabi ko, I would always choose her every day. Kahit ano man mangyari, I would always choose her. Tapos, yun kasal na kasi kami. So, yun. We're still getting to know each other pa rin. No?
We're working out with our, like, dynamics as a couple.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. You have questions for me?
Wala. Happily married naman so far. Ikaw, happily married?
Happy wife, happy life.
Yun, sabihin ko sana merong sayings, di ba, na happy wife, happy life. Pero yung sa amin, ano yung sa atin? Yung sa amin,
happy spouse, happy house.
happy spouse, happy house. You right? Fair.
Supposed to be dapat dalawa yung happy.
There you go. So, there you go. That's it.
Thank you, everyone, for your effort and your time and for leaving a comment. I hope you enjoyed this video.
And thanks for watching.
Yeah, thank you for watching.
Thank
If you
you.
have any ideas or any other suggestions, leave a comment down below.
Yeah.
Have
Bye.
a great day.
Bye.
Bye. See you on the next one.
See you in the next one, guys.
Feel like falling deeper. Colder nights 난 너무 싫어. 기다리기에는 너무 길어. 줬던 내 사랑이 식어. 기대만 하는 것도 난 힘들어. So hard to tell you, the feelings inside come sooner or later. And honestly, I'm not afraid to say what we could be. That's why I'm asking to be my everlasting love. I don't know why it's so hard to tell you, the feelings inside come sooner or later. Wrote down the day that I fell for you. Now it's crossed out and weighed, but I still can't forget if I wanted to. And it drives me insane, think I'm hearing your name everywhere I go. But it's all in my head, it's just all in my head. But you won't see me break. Call you up in 3 days, or send you a bouquet saying it's a mistake. Drink my troubles away, one more glass of champagne. And you know I'm the first to say that I'm not perfect, and you're the first to say you want the best thing. But now I know a perfect way to let you go. Give my last hello, hope is what this was just fine. How I tried to be great for you. I'm flawed by design, and you love to remind me no matter what I do. But you won't see me break, call you up in 3 days. I'll send you a bouquet, saying it's a mistake. Drink my troubles away, one more glass of champagne, and you know I'm the first to say that I'm not perfect, and you're the first to say you want the best thing. But now I know a perfect way to let you go. Give my last hello, hope it's worth it. I'm the first to say that I'm not perfect, and you're the first to say you want the best things. But now I know a perfect way to let you go. Give my last hello, hope it's worth it. See, but now I know a perfect way to let you go. Give my last hello, hope it's worth it. Here's your perfect. The sun doesn't shine when you're not here. Baby, am I making things clear? Tell me that everything's alright. Can you love me tonight? Can you love me tonight? The mood isn't right when you're too far. Maybe I'm making things too hard. Tell me that everything's alright. Can you love me tonight? Can you love me tonight? I can take you all around the world, my pleasure. I ain't got my eyes on other girls. You told me be a better man. I'm tired of playing pretend. I didn't listen, now I'm wishing for a second chance. Hit you up last night. Something was different, didn't feel too right. Right from the moment when you left me on red. Started texting your friends like, look what he said again. He said, the sun doesn't shine when you're not here. Baby, am I making things clear? Tell me that everything's alright. Can you love me tonight? Can you love me tonight? The mood isn't right when you're too far. Maybe I'm making things too hard. Tell me that everything's alright. Can you love me tonight? Can you love me tonight? You say I'll never see your point of view, but every time you say it, I'm confused. Trying to communicate, I guess our feelings change, and now I'm blocked by your friends too. So I hit you up last night. Something was different, didn't feel too right. Right from the moment when you left me on red, I started texting my friends like, look at what I just sent. I said, the sun doesn't shine when you're not here. Baby, am I making things clear? Tell me that still the breath in my lungs. My body shakes till the blood in my face makes me awkward, smile and turn around. How do I hold these emotions when you spin my world out of place? One look at me, it feels like everything is written in marker on my face. I'm hoping maybe you could tell me now. Am I the only one that's catching butterflies? Am I a moth in your flame? Do you burn the same when I look in your eyes? Do you get butterflies? Don't know what I'd do without you, and that's why you're not here in my arms. I'm so scared to lose what we already have, asking for everything that I want. 'Cause maybe I raise all your red flags, and these green lights are just in my head. I swear that there's something we both can't explain, and I'm terrified to lose it. I'm hoping maybe you could tell me now. Am I the only one that's catching butterflies? Am I a moth in your flame? Do you burn the same when I'm hoping maybe you could tell me now. Am I the only one that's catching butterflies? Am I a moth in your flame? Do you burn the same when I look in wanna sing with you.
I guess when we're young, we choose to believe that there will be many people we'll connect with. Later in life, we realize it only happens a few times.
I never thought you'd be the one to hold my heart. I never knew I'd think of you each time that we're apart. Each day I'll be the one missing your face and all that you are. Save me, I promise I'd stay here by your side. And I know from the start, when I look into your eyes, I know that I'm mesmerized, baby. Just hold me. When you're here, I realize I'll be the one to testify, baby. Say that you're mine tonight. Oh, every time you come around, you keep my troubles far. A picture worth 1,000 words. I'd stare beneath the stars. Each day I'll be the one missing your face and all that you are. Save me, I promise I'd stay here by your side. And I know from the start, when I look into your eyes, I know that I'm mesmerized, baby. Just hold me. When you're here, I realize I'll be the one to testify, baby. Say that you're mine tonight. When I look into your eyes, I know that I'm mesmerized, baby. Just hold me. When you're here, I realize I'll be the one to testify, baby. Say that you're mine tonight.
Sun in my eyes, navy blue skies. You are the reason I can survive. We'll turn off the phones to just be alone. We'll draw the curtains and never leave home. I had a nightmare, but now that I'm not scared, this is how you fall in love. Let go and I'll hold you up. So pull me tight and close your eyes. Oh my love, side to side.
What's easy is right. My mother's advice. You are the reason I never think twice. Wherever we go, what glitters is gold. You'll be my best friend until we grow old. I had a nightmare, but now that I'm not scared,
me something when the rain falls on my face. How do you quickly replace it with a golden summer smile? Tell me something when I'm feeling tired and afraid. How do you know just what to say to make everything alright? I don't think that you even realize the joy you make me feel when I'm inside your universe. You hold me like I'm the one who's precious. I hate to break it to you, but it's just the other way around. But you can thank your stars all you want, but I'll always be the lucky one. Tell me something when I'm about to lose control. How do you patiently hold my hand and gently calm me down? Tell me something when you sing and when you laugh. Why do I always photograph my heart flying way above the clouds? I don't think that you even realize the joy you make me feel when I'm inside your universe. You hold me like I'm the one who's precious. I hate to break it to you, but it's just the other way around. You can thank your stars all you want, but I'll always be the lucky one. I don't think that you even realize the joy you make me feel when I'm inside your universe. You hold me like I'm the one who's precious. I hate to break it to you, but it's just the other way around. You can thank your stars all you want, but I'll always be the lucky one. You can thank your stars all you want, but I'll always be the lucky one. You can thank your stars all you want, but much pain can't heal 1,000 scars. Feeling alone, so I'm talking to the stars. Whenever I close my eyes, I can see your lovely smile, oh yes. And I open it again, and then I see the midnight sky, wishing that I'll be the man that you touch